How to turn off personalized ads on TikTok. What is up, everybody? If you're trying to turn off the personalized ads on TikTok and not sure how, follow the simple steps until the end. First of all, open up your TikTok application and make sure that you are just logged into your account. And once you're logged in, you could just go ahead and head over to your profile section. And then from here, just tap on the hamburger menu at the top right. You'll find this pop-up where you have to head over to settings and privacy. Once landed on the privacy page, tap on the privacy settings, and then from here you have different options. Before update, TikTok used to have the personalized section right here, but recently they've changed it to your notification panel. So go ahead and tap on content and display and tap on notifications. Once you get here, all you have to do is scroll down a bit until you find this option, personalized post suggestions. So all you have to do is turn all of these options off, and now your personalized ads on TikTok will also be turned off. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.